Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to remove Doordash payment method. So let's get into the video. So open up Doordash, open up the app and then log into your account. So you need to log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, so click on your profile here. So click on the profile option here. So once you click on your profile option, you'll get to this account session here. So what you're going to do now, you're going to click on this payment methods option. Simply click on the payment method option and this will list out all your saved payment methods. So if you want to remove a payment method, so simply you can just select the card, whether it's a debit card or any other methods. You can simply select that, press and hold on it, and you will get the delete option, and you can simply confirm to delete it. So certain default payment methods can't be deleted, for example Google Pay for me, so this one can't be deleted. But if it's a card or something, then you can delete that. So all you have to do is simply click and plus and hold on it, and you'll get the delete option. You can simply click on it and then confirm the delete option. So that's how you remove your payment method saved on Doordash. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.